What's up, guys? This is my 4-week Vision Tech project demonstration, and for my project I did a clock slash calendar slash temperature sensor for my car. And so today I'm going to show this thing off to you guys. So, welcome to my truck, 79 Ford. It's this little box right here. So I'm going to turn on the car, and it's coming on right now. Get a little loading message, and there we go. You can see it displaying the time, the date, and the temperature in Fahrenheit because I'm an American. And yeah, that's pretty much all it does, but surprisingly, it's a lot of work to get something to do that. What I used was an Arduino and some code that I got off the internet and changed and combined it with other code that I got off the internet. And then I put it all in this cardboard box that's custom. So now I'm going to show you all about the innards of this thing. Okay, so here is the project, and this is the innards. Got my Arduino Uno, a real-time clock module, and a LCD. So those are the three main components, and I'm just going to go over each one of them. The Arduino is basically some kind of hobbyist electronics platform made in Italy. It's all open source stuff, so there's a lot of copies of it out there that are basically exactly the same, but I got the real deal here. And you can basically just program it to do whatever you want. It's got all these outputs, and then you can't really do much on its own. That's why you got these accessories. So here is the LCD. It's a liquid crystal display for all you people who don't know that, and it just kind of, as you saw earlier, displays stuff. And this is actually from an old 90s Nokia phone, so that's pretty cool. It came on the circuit board, and I can just hook it up to my Arduino and program it to work, or download code and change it to my needs, or whatever I want to do. Just gonna put that back in there. The box that this is all in actually is what the screen came in. I got it from Adafruit. They're about $10. You can get them pretty cheap. They're pretty easy to use too. And then the other thing is this RCT thing, which stands for real-time clock. Basically, the purpose of this is the Arduino itself. It can keep and record a time in it. The only problem is, though, that'll reset every time it doesn't get power. And I don't want to leave this thing on all the time. I want it shut off from the battery so it doesn't drain my car battery. So the perfect solution was these deals. And they've got a little watch battery in there, so they record and always keep track of the time, even when the rest of your project is turned off. So then when you turn it back on, the Arduino can just send a signal out to the real-time clock, and it'll send back the time and date, and there you go. Also, a lot of wires just kind of soldered in there. That's pretty easy to do. I did a lot of prototyping with a breadboard to get it all to work. And as you can see, there's a lot of empty space in this box. I left possibilities open for me to add more things to this later whenever I need to, such as, well, I don't know, whatever I want, you know. So the Arduino can run off of anywhere between, I think, 4 and 12 volts. So it's running off of 12 volts in this case, which is, top of the range, but that's okay. It works just fine. And then, so yeah, that's about it. I just made this little custom enclosure with a knife and a box.